Let's organize my house because it's a fucking disaster. I have things everywhere. Let's organize some stuff, shall we? I'm wearing the same thing that I wore last video because it's literally the same day. This is the first area that I want to tackle. I've had this shelf up for about a month, maybe even longer, but as you can see, it's I've shoved every decoration object I have up here, not because this is how I want it to look, but because it's out of the way. I spent a night measuring every container that I have in my house. Pink crates, tub things, fabric boxes, plastic tubs, these glittery fabric boxes. I only have 2 of these, I only have 2 of these, 3 of these, 3 of those, 3 of those. I don't want to be buying new containers or storage solutions. I want to use what I have, but tricky to figure out what works. I also have like a bunch of these containers as well, and it's very overwhelming and annoying. It's a cute angle. None of the angles in my house is cute. Here we go. Is it? No? No? Yeah, it... None of the angles in my house are acceptable. Oh, there's a bathroom. So yeah, it probably took like an hour to get all the measurements together, and I just kind of like sat there putting boxes on the shelves. I'm just going to show you how I managed to sort this all out. So the white area is the open shelves, the grey area the shelves behind the cupboard, and the black areas are designated towards decor and shit. Based on the containers that I measured, I loosely plotted out whereabouts I want them to go, listed out all the categories of the things that are needing to be organized in that area, and just allocated a category to each container. Now, you obviously don't need to go through all the effort I went to make a pretty graphic. Okay, I was just making it pretty for the video. Essentially, what I had before this was just scribbles on a notebook. I think I've got it. Now that I have a plan, I can action it. Hopefully it works. Have to tackle that box of miscellaneous pretty shit. That box, like these 2 boxes. So let's do that. Hey now, baby girl, I'm no liar. No doubt, baby, you got me wired. Thought I had it all figured out. 1 for 4 as I break down. I know you're tired, broke down. I know we tried. Never meant to go that way. Nothing comes as easy as they say. Don't look down, 'cause both our feet have left the ground. Don't look down, we're dancing over shrinking town. Just meet me here at sunset. Gotta look inside her eyes. This is the current state of this area. It looks really bad. So in this drawer, I just have all my crochet and knitting stuff, just a bunch of yarn. It doesn't even come out because it's just filled to the brim and stuck. Oh, doesn't go back in either, so I have to fix that. Here is some gardening stuff. Don't know where I'm gonna put that, but I need to figure it out because I want to get rid of this monstrosity. I don't know what possessed me to paint this green and purple, but it was 5 years ago, so apparently I thought that would be acceptable. A bunch of empty supplement bottles. I'm gonna get rid of this thing because it's so, oh, it's just so annoying. It's so annoying. I'm going to move this stand into my bedroom. It's gonna be a little side table for my partner. Yeah, this is a little dried rose cloche that I made, and then like every rose that ever came from the rose bush just kind of live up there now. This used to be a rose bush, if you can believe, but he got spider mites, so he's in a plastic bag now. It is literally so embarrassing to show on camera, but don't look too hard. But you see that set of drawers there? I want it to go. Ah, everything's messy, don't look. I want it to go here instead because, don't look at the rest of my things, you can look at my floor, it's fine. Because yes, on the other side of my desk is the other set of drawers. Don't look at the cables. Don't look at it. Oh yes, while I'm over here, so I also have this like little plant stand. It has a watering can, a very vibrant snow queen pothos, and a dying, I don't know, a banana succulent? I don't know what this thing is called, but I kind of low-key don't like it. This will then move over to this couch spot. Oh. What the actual fuck is wrong with my posture? No wonder I fucking hurt all the time. I have to take my pants off so bad. Oh my god. It's so warm. Ah! My vanity is in desperate need of attention. It looks like a very aesthetic girly came along and threw up the contents of her inventory on here. And to be honest, that metaphor is not far from the truth. I just use this space as a dumping ground for every pretty thing that vaguely goes on my body. This drawer is just full of tomfoolery, this one full of shenanigans. Ooh, and some useful dividers. This drawer actually makes sense to me, so we won't be needing to touch that one. Neck things, other neck things, head things, decorations, perfume. I guess this is more hair stuff. Actually, this should be taken out. Hair thingies, which goes in bags. Storage stuff, makeup brushes, jewelry box, and like thingy holders perfumes. The perks of being a convention artist means that I just have random thingies lying around that I use for table displays. This is a wire grid. I'm repurposing it as a necklace holder. As you can see, it works pretty well behind this mirror. It's a very similar size. It kind of sticks out the top, but that's okay because I can use some flower garlands to cover that. And it's sticking up because I'm using S hooks to attach it to the back, because if I use command hooks and it falls off in the night, I will probably shit myself. And I'm going to hang things using these gold binder clips. later now. I didn't realize everything could just be put away. And like this, it's definitely going to be much easier to clean, but I can't really grab things as easily because I have to like go into the drawer. When everything was sitting on top, I never needed to open any of these drawers. Don't know where to put any of my collars / chokers. I'm gonna fill this little tray with some of my most used accessories. So I don't use it this often, but it's pretty. My pretty butterfly hair clips can go in here. My little handmade ribbon choker. I'm gonna throw in the ones that couldn't fit in the little ring holder. Okay, a little trinky dish. Good work, me. Okay, I'm here again. I've been living with this vanity for a few days and I'm just going to tweak it just a little bit. Okay, we can make it better and then we can finish the video. The video will be done. Also, hello outfit change, aren't I cute? I'm redoing this because I just felt like it looked really cluttered and a lot of things weren't as accessible as I wanted them to be. Oh no. Where did I had it? So I'm just moving the necklaces to the other mirror because I was being cock blocked by the wall, and putting the jewelry box on the same side as the necklace because that makes logical sense. Then I removed the extra shelf and the extra decorations and just made sure that everything on here was functional and just decorated it very minimally. I can't really access the back of this mirror easily because of this bad boy here, the wall. I figured that I moved this one here because when it was over there, then I couldn't really access that mirror. So this makes sense. I don't really do my hair that often anyway. Looks cute when it's turned in like this. Yeah, and also my makeup brushes are here and my makeup is in this drawer, so that makes more sense. So I just have like very minimal decorations, just have that. I got rid of the shelf that was there because now we can see more of the, don't look at the things in the background. Yeah, but now you can see like more of the mirror, so it should open up the space a bit more. And here's the final vanity in normal lighting and not Love Hotel lighting. Decorating and organizing is really an iterative process, so thank you for sticking with me throughout all my revisions. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you soon. Bye!